Been tagged in a story on Instagram and want to share it with your followers? Let me show you how to do it in just few steps. Hi everyone, welcome back to Online Help Guide. In this video, I'll walk you through the simple steps to repost Instagram stories you're tagged in. So let's get started. First, open the Instagram app on your phone. Now head to your DMs by tapping on the messenger icon at the top right corner of your screen. If someone tagged you in their story, you'll see a message in your inbox saying mention you in their story. Tap on the message to open it. Below the story preview, you'll find the option Add to your story. Tap on it and the tag story will open in the story editor. Here you can add stickers, text, GIFs, or draw on the story. Once you're happy with the edits, tap on the Your Story button to repost it directly to your story. And that's how you can easily repost Instagram stories you're tagged in. Thanks for watching Online Help Guide. If this video was helpful, give it a thumbs up and comment below if you have any questions or feedback. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon for more easy Instagram tips.